What's up my good people? Today tuko site tunatafuta ma waterfalls na leo tuko Nyeri County upande ya Gatito, area ya Gatito, and hapa tu ni nyuma ya Kagumo Teachers Training College. Yes, so mnaweza ona ile fence iko pale kwa ile gari, hapo ndo Kagumo Teachers Training College na this is the road. So mkiwa hapa nimeweza kuwaeleza vizuri sana. So pale ndipo Kagumo Teachers, pale mnaona zile gari hapo ndipo mnaweza ona fence hapo ya mawe. So yes, so hapa hii njia hapa ndo utaona hii waterfall. So hii waterfall iko pale kwa ile miti hapo chini. So that's the beast that I travel with. So kwanza tumeipark ndio niweza kuonyesha location. So let's go to the waterfall. So right now you can actually see the stream. Nimeambiwa tu jina ni Kagumo. This stream is just known as Kagumo. So even the waterfall is known as Kagumo. So let me check what's here. So this looks like probably an intake just besides this stream. I wouldn't call it a river because sio kubwa sana. So let's check it out and let's have a look at how it looks from this view. So this is the river, I will call it. So this is the start of the waterfall. So tunafaa tuende huko chini. So we need to get to the bottom so that we can have a good clear view of this waterfall. So yes, this is it. So this is the view from the top. So all we are remaining is kushuka huko chini so that we can see this waterfall from the bottom, and it's a tall waterfall. From here it's a tall waterfall. So let me get to see it from the bottom, guys. So the walk to the bottom is very easy. The walk to the bottom is very, very easy. But the waterfall is so big. But I didn't expect to see this big waterfall because nilikuwa nimeambiwa na mse that here there is a waterfall, but I didn't expect this waterfall to be this big because actually nikiangalia kwa Google Map haiko inakaa kama waterfall, like it just look like just a small dot of white. But let's get to the bottom. So this is the side view of the waterfall. This is the view that I'm having when I'm going down to the bottom, and wow, just look at that. So wacha tufike chini ndio tuweze kuicheki fiti. And wow, this is a big waterfall, my goodness, and it looks quite amazing. Wow. So I'm recording everything venye tulishuka chini, and nataka tuone with you guys, my first views about these waterfalls. So I want you guys to follow this journey to the bottom, and it looks like we are finally at the bottom. Wow, just look at that, guys. Ni aje? Uko fiti eh? No, ni kufanya tu kutafutia ng'ombe chakula. Hii waterfall inaitwaje?
Kagumo.
Kagumo tu. Na hii mto hii inaitwa tu Kagumo.
Kagumo River.
Na kuna waterfall zingine ziko around. Iko wapi? Udhaya. Sawa. Safi, thanks maze. Afiti. So mmesikia, this is the second person mwenye ameniconfirmia. Actually the third person mwenye ameniconfirmia that this waterfall inaitwa Kagumo. Just look at that waterfall, guys. Wow. I just like the way you know how the water is pouring, you know, in a hug the rocks, guys. The water hugs the rocks to the bottom, you know, and at this center, the way maji inakuja ni kama inashikana hapo katikati, and wow, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful waterfall. I think I'm so happy. So this is a 126 waterfall visit for me. Merewa, guys, this is the 126 waterfall visit for me, and I am so excited. Si mnacheki baby girl venye amebambika kuona waterfall. Wow. It's so excited. She is so happy. Just look at her. She's having her fun. So yes, guys. So I want you to hear the pure sound of the waterfall. So for some few minutes, you just have to get the pure sound of this waterfall. Hizo ni bad. Kwanza venye maji inashuka and then inakuja inashikana hapa hivi katikati. Wow, this waterfall is so creative. Inakuja inashikana, inagonga hapa katikati, and then ina change direction again. Sidhani hii press ni deep. Sioni kama ni deep. Sio deep hivyo sana, but inaweza kuwa deep by the way, but sio sana. Nikiguess iko around 3 meters deep, 3 to 2 meters deep. Ni mimi wawili basi. Kuna zingine unasikianga ziko 10 meters deep. Hapa watu wanaweza swim. Hapa watu wanaweza swim. Imagine nimekuwa excited hata sijakauliza kama watu wanaweza swim hapa hivi. Sijakauliza. Anaitanga Wauta. So my good people, this is Kagumo waterfall on Kagumo River, and I have always talked about, you know, waterfalls and why I search and you know, post my waterfall videos and photos is to talk about climate change, even still about waterfall tourism, and still dangers of rivers, guys. So guys, those are the main, you know, reasons as to why I visit waterfall. I just talked about waterfall tourism, is that I want to encourage so many people to visit waterfalls near them and even far them, because this is one main, you know, activity that one can do, you know, for adventure. Even waterfall tourism, it helps people in that by, you know, it's a hiking experience. You know, when you are walking, climbing down a hill or climbing up a hill or down a hill. So it exercises your body and even your mind, guys. So I'm encouraging everybody to embrace waterfall tourism whenever they are. Watafute tu waterfalls, ama ukitravel mahali, you know, just find a waterfall and that you can visit, because this is a stress reliever, guys. This is one stress reliever, you know, where ukichokesha mwili yako, and it even relaxes your brain, guys. And another reason is, you know, there are so many dangers about rivers. So I'm, you know, trying to be cautious to everybody not to try and swim a river, you know, kama haujui kuswim. Even kuvuka mto kama haujui kuswim, guys. Even ukijua kuswim, unaweza anguka vibaya kwa hizi mito, and pia kutembelea kwa hizi mawe, you can actually hurt yourself, guys. You can actually hurt yourself on these rocks. Either it can be slippery, one, or it can be sharp. So those are the reasons, guys, you should try to avoid rivers, you know, because one life lost on a river, it is just too many. For me, I actually feel very sad, because I was once a victim kuanguka kwa mto, but luckily I was able to survive, guys. Another reason is climate change. So climate change has impacted our rivers so much that zimekuwa, you know, the water level in them imekuwa chini sana. It has drastically reduced. So guys, we can try to, you know, take care of our environment, you know, by planting more trees. Yes, whenever we are, when it's during the rainy season, we can plant trees and try to take care of them, you know, during the dry season, before, you know, they get those deep roots that they can fetch water for themselves, guys. So this is one waterfall visit for me, 126 waterfall visit for me, and I'm so happy, you know, to have found this waterfall, and it just looks amazing. It's so beautiful, guys. You have to be here, guys. So people of Nyeri County, I have visited your county once more. So, and I'm encouraging everybody watching this video, whenever you are, any corner of Kenya or any corner in the world, I will, you know, drop this pin location on my Google Maps. So nitawaonyesha penye iko. I will post so many pictures about this waterfall. So yes, I'm having a good time, and it's just one waterfall that is scenic. You can actually see some other visitors coming down to the waterfall. So guys, this waterfall is visited by so many people. You know, you can tell by the ground around here that it's a bit, you know, imechafuliwa. Yani imechafuliwa ni kuonyesha wasee wa kuja kucheki hii waterfall, guys. So I'm encouraging everybody to embrace waterfall visit. You know, it's good for your body, it's good for your, you know, your mind. So guys, make sure you visit this waterfall or any other waterfall, and keep me posted about any waterfall near you. So guys, so see you on another waterfall. So we have just been joined by other visitors who, you know, they have just come to visit, you know, this waterfall. So I will have a conversation with them, and yes, wanishow tu venye wamekuja kuona hii waterfall, wametoka area gani. So yes, so let them have a time. We talk to them later. Yes, so they are actually enjoying the waterfall as we do. It's a nice experience. Na by the way hatujaguza maji. Nani? Acha tutaenda tuguza maji. Mbaya kulete. By the way, I thought hii is a stream. Kumbe ni mto kubwa. But ni sufu by the way.
Yes, hapo. Ni deep.
So it's a goodbye to Kagumo waterfall. So it's your chance, guys, for you to visit this waterfall. So see you on the next waterfall.